go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am using a wig that was purchased from Amazon, and it is a 4x4 20-inch body weight wig. And today guys, we are not going to be bleaching the knots on this wig. We are going to be using my wig knot healer to bleach the knots on this wig. And if you guys have been seeing any of my previous video, you know I have been using this product. So right now I am using the wig knot healer in the color chocolate, and all I did was put a little bit on the lace, and then I used the opposite side, which is the brush, to brush it in evenly throughout the lace. And when using this product guys, you don't need to use a lot, and once you use it, you just spread it over the cap and let it dry, and you're ready to install your wig. So right now guys, I am getting ready to install this wig. So stay tuned while I fit the wig to my hairline. Okay guys, so I am doing a little plucking on the wig. I didn't have to do much, but I do like it to a certain extent of how I like my hairline to be. So I did go in and pluck it a tad bit. Again, it was not a lot that I plucked. And once I was done plucking it guys, I laid my wig down with a new product by KAFUNE. It is a meltdown hairspray that I'm using, and it is the first time I'm using it on my channel, but it's not the first time that I ever used it. So yeah, so all I did was spread a little bit on my hairline and then tied my hair down for about 10 to 15 minutes. And when I came back, yeah, it was all done. Took it off and getting ready to pretty much cut the lace off this wig. Okay guys, so right now we're about to create my baby hairs, and y'all know how I feel about baby hairs. Baby hairs pretty much make your wig look as natural as possible. So to do my baby hairs, I am using a boho liquid gel to do my baby hairs. Yeah, and guys, do you not see this wig? Do you see how it's laying down, guys? And then also, do you see the knots on this wig? Like, you can't even see it. You don't even see it. But definitely, guys, if you want to purchase any of the products in this video, I will be putting them down in the description bar if you guys want to purchase them. So I'm going to finish up with doing my baby hairs, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I am going to curl my hair with my flat iron. And guys, this flat iron came from like Walmart or whatever. I don't even remember because I had it for so long. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and flat iron, not even flat iron my hair. I'm gonna actually curl it and put some body wave curls in it. So yeah, if you want to watch me curl my hair, just continue to watch. Okay guys, so now that I am finishing up with curling my hair, I'm going to take a little bit more of that knot healer and just put it into my part to kind of define my part a little more. And as you can see, guys, look how natural that look. Perfect. Now I remind you guys, I am using the shade chocolate in the knot healer, and again, I'll put everything down in the description bar. Okay guys, so pretty much here is the finished look. I am done with this wig. As I stated, this was a 4x4 20-inch wig, and if you guys want to know my complete thoughts on this wig, please stay tuned to what I thought about this wig. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to review this 4x4 body wave wig. This is a 20-inch wig that was purchased from Amazon. This wig, when it came to me, the hair was soft, and it still is soft. Now guys, when I got this wig, I pretty much did nothing to it. All I did was put some of our knot healer on here, and I used the color chocolate to do the knots because I was not in the mood to be bleaching any knots. Okay, I tell you, these last couple of wigs, y'all, I have not been bleaching the knots because I ain't just got time, because I just been reviewing so much stuff. I ain't got time to be bleaching no knots. So I just use my knot healer to do the knots on the wig. And all I did, and I also use this spray here to put the wig on. And guys, everything that I use in this video, I'll put it down in the description bar. So I use that to apply the wig because I'm not going to be keeping the wig on for long. But the wig is pretty good. And yeah, you guys, and all I did was curl it. I shaped up the front a little bit to kind of give it a little more body in the front of the hair. I must say I like the wig. I haven't really worn it that long to give a full review on it, so pretty much it will just be kind of like my first impression. And also, you know, once I installed it, you know, what did I get from, you know, when I installed it. But in my first impression, guys, the hair was pretty soft. It did have a minor smell, but it wasn't major at all. It wasn't a major smell at all, guys, because I didn't even wash the wig, which usually I never do. I always try to wash every wig that I get, but I did not wash this one. Like I said, this was going to be just a quick and easy look that I quickly just threw on. And like I said, this is a 4x4. This is my first time ever having a 4x4. I never had a 4x4 wig. I always did a frontal wig, but I'm actually loving the 4x4. It looks really natural. As you can see, it looks really natural, and it stops here to here, and the rest of it is pretty much the rest of the wig and my own edges. So I mean, for that, I mean, I like the wig. The wig is not that thick. Per se. I want to say it's like 150 density. It's not that thick at all. but I do like it. The hair curl really good. I didn't really take my time and really curl the hair, but when I did use my flat iron, which you guys saw me use it on this video, I curled it, and as you can see, the curls are standing there pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna give it an ups on how the curls are standing there. But you guys, I'll come back and give my full thoughts on this hair and the full review. I don't want to rate it right now because, again, I have not been wearing it that long. But my first impression is pretty good. Just look for a later video reviewing this hair for the second time. But again, guys, everything that I use will be down in the description bar. If you want to purchase this wig or any products that I use in this video, again, will be down in the description bar with the link that you can click on to. Yeah, you guys, I thank you guys so much for tuning into another hair review of mine. I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying all my videos that I put up, and if you guys are subscribed to my channel already, I thank you guys so much. If you're enjoying all my videos, just definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, and while you're hitting that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Again, I thank you guys for tuning into this video, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.